UZ47 Skillmaster handles 7 bevel types on a single machine. V-bevel, J-bevel, facing, tapering, double bevel, compound bevel, and cladding removal, all with automatic feed, adjustable from 0 up to 4.59 feet per minute. One setup and you cover the full range of weld preparation profiles most shops will ever need. That versatility matters in defense manufacturing, where the material doesn't forgive shortcuts. Ballistic steels like Hardox or Armox are highly sensitive to heat, and the UZ47 uses machine cutting, not thermal processes. No heat-affected zones. The base material stays exactly as certified. The bevel geometry is precise and repeatable, which is what MIL-STD and STANAG compliance actually require. Every parameter is measurable and documentable. Ready for audit, ready for NDT inspection. The machine handles material from 0.24 to 2.36 inches with tool adjustment across 3 axes and a 4,000-watt drive. Built for the kind of work where you can't redo the weld.